Across our remarkable planet, life has evolved in an astonishing array of forms, colors, and behaviors. From the frozen tundra to the vibrant coral reefs, nature's creativity knows no bounds. Each creature, whether great or small, is the result of millions of years of adaptation, each an answer to the challenges and opportunities of its environment. Throughout history, evolution has worked its magic, sculpting animals into living masterpieces. Some have developed dazzling hues to attract mates or warn off predators. Others are adorned in coats so soft or scales so iridescent that they seem almost too magical to be real. These adaptations not only ensure survival, but also create some of the most enchanting spectacles in the natural world. Today, I invite you on a journey to meet the cutest, most colorful, and unbelievably adorable creatures on Earth. Prepare to be charmed and amazed as we explore the vibrant diversity of life, from icy landscapes to tropical seas, and discover the wonders that make our world so extraordinary. In the stark, icy expanse of the Arctic, a small, enchanting creature weaves silently through the snow. The Arctic fox, with its pristine white coat, is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into its wintry home. This compact mammal, with its bushy tail and petite stature, is perfectly built for survival in a land where temperatures can plunge well below freezing. Its fur, the warmest of any animal found in the Arctic, both insulates and conceals. But beyond its beauty lies a tale of resilience and adaptation. The Arctic fox's short ears and muzzle minimize heat loss, while its keen sense of hearing allows it to detect the faintest sounds beneath the snow, an essential skill for hunting rodents. Yet life for the Arctic fox is not without challenge. As climate change shrinks its icy domain, competition intensifies, particularly from the encroaching red fox. Its dwindling population is a cause for concern among conservationists. Efforts are underway to protect this beloved species, including habitat preservation and monitoring of key populations. Watching an Arctic fox at play, bounding through the snow, chasing its own tail, or curling up in a perfect ball to sleep, is a reminder of the innocence and wonder that the natural world holds. These enchanting moments are precious, and their preservation is a testament to our responsibility as stewards of the planet. Let us marvel at the Arctic fox, a living testament to nature's ingenuity and fragility, a creature as beautiful as the landscape it calls home. Beneath the shimmering surface of the tropical Pacific, among the swaying corals, glides a creature so vividly colored it scarcely seems real. The mandarin fish is a living jewel, adorned in electric blues, radiant oranges, and striking greens. Unlike most fish, its brilliant blue is not a pigment, but the result of unique cellular structures that reflect light in extraordinary ways. This tiny marvel, barely 3 inches in length, lacks the scales most fish possess. Instead, it is cloaked in a protective, foul-tasting slime, a clever defense that wards off would-be predators. As it flits through its coral home, the mandarin fish moves with the grace of a dancer, seeking out tiny crustaceans and worms for its supper. The courtship ritual of the mandarin fish is a spectacle to behold. At dusk, males and females pair up, rising together in a synchronized ballet above the reef, releasing their eggs and sperm into the safety of the water column. This nightly dance ensures both the survival of the species and the perpetuation of its dazzling beauty. Despite its allure, the mandarin fish faces threats from habitat degradation and the aquarium trade. Responsible stewardship of coral reefs and ethical practices in pet keeping are vital to its continued existence in the wild. Observing one in its natural habitat is a privilege few will forget. Let the mandarin fish remind us, the ocean's depths hold wonders beyond our imagination, creatures of color, ingenuity, and delicate beauty, awaiting our awe and protection. In the lush rainforests of Central and South America, a delicate marvel flutters on gossamer wings. The glass-winged butterfly, aptly named for its transparent wings, appears almost ethereal as it drifts through dappled sunlight. Its wings, composed of microscopic scales arranged in patterns invisible to the naked eye, allow it to vanish from sight, evading predators with an almost magical stealth. Despite their fragile appearance, these wings are surprisingly robust, enabling the butterfly to undertake impressive journeys during migration. The glasswing's strength lies not only in its wings, but also in its diet. Feeding on toxic plants, it accumulates chemicals that make it distasteful and even poisonous to birds and other would-be predators. Migration is a feat of endurance and navigation. Glass-winged butterflies travel great distances in search of suitable breeding grounds, guided by environmental cues and instinct honed through generations. Along the way, they pollinate flowers, playing a vital role in the health of their forest home. Predators are not the only threat. Habitat loss poses a significant danger, as rainforests are cleared for agriculture and development. Conservation efforts to protect these vital ecosystems are essential for the survival of the glass-winged butterfly and countless other species. To witness a glass-winged butterfly alight upon a flower is to glimpse the extraordinary artistry of evolution. These transparent wings, so easily overlooked, are a triumph of both form and function, a perfect balance between visibility and invisibility in the dance of life. In the verdant forests and gardens of South Asia, a spectacle of color and sound unfolds with the arrival of the peacock. The male, with his resplendent train of iridescent feathers, is the undisputed showman of the bird world. Each feather is adorned with eyes of deep blue and shimmering green, a masterpiece of structural coloration that dazzles all who behold it. This extravagant display serves a dual purpose, attracting prospective mates and deterring rivals or predators. With a dramatic fan of his tail, the peacock shivers his feathers, producing a rustling sound that resonates through the undergrowth. The display is not simply for show, it is a carefully choreographed performance, signaling vitality and genetic fitness to discerning females. Peacocks have long been symbols of beauty, pride, and even immortality across cultures. Observing a courtship display, one cannot help but be mesmerized by the sheer audacity and elegance of nature's artistry. It's a reminder that sometimes survival is as much about spectacle as stealth. Yet the peacock's life is not without hardship. Predators lurk, and the very feathers that attract attention also hinder quick escapes. Selection pressure has shaped this balance. Too few feathers, and the male may go unnoticed. Too many, and he becomes an easy target. The peacock's display is a living testament to the power of sexual selection and the extraordinary lengths to which evolution will go to ensure a species' continuation. It is, quite simply, one of the greatest shows on Earth. Deep in the forests of Madagascar, a remarkable reptile moves with deliberate grace along slender branches. The panther chameleon, with its kaleidoscope of shifting colors, is a true marvel of adaptation. Each individual is a unique palette, ranging from brilliant reds and oranges to vivid greens and blues, depending on its locale, mood, and even the time of day. These colors are not merely for show. The panther chameleon uses its skin, layered with special cells called chromatophores, to communicate with rivals and potential mates, as well as to regulate its body temperature. A sudden flash of color can signal aggression or readiness to mate, while subtle shifts help the chameleon blend effortlessly into its surroundings. Life in Madagascar's forests demands agility and cunning. The panther chameleon's independently moving eyes allow it to scan for both prey and predators without moving its head, a crucial advantage in the dense foliage. Its prehensile tail and zygodactylous feet provide a secure grip as it navigates the treetops. Despite its adaptations, the panther chameleon faces threats from deforestation and the illegal pet trade. Conservation programs are working hard to protect its native habitat, and responsible pet ownership is essential to its future survival. To witness a panther chameleon in full display is to see the living embodiment of nature's creativity, an ever-shifting canvas that reflects the hidden language of the forest. High in the misty mountains of the Himalayas and across the forests of China and Nepal dwells an animal as enchanting as it is elusive. The red panda, with its russet fur and expressive face, is a creature of quiet charm. Its bushy ringed tail and white facial markings lend it an almost storybook appearance, earning it the endearing nickname Fire Fox. Despite its name, the red panda is not closely related to the giant panda. Instead, it occupies its own unique branch of the evolutionary tree, sharing traits with raccoons, weasels, and even skunks. Its soft, thick coat provides insulation against cold mountain nights, while its semi-retractable claws and flexible ankles make it a skilled climber in the bamboo forest it calls home. Red pandas are primarily herbivorous, feeding on bamboo shoots, berries, and the occasional bird or insect. Their solitary nature and nocturnal habits make them challenging to observe in the wild, yet their endearing antics, playful roles, gentle grooming, and curious exploration have captivated people around the world. Tragically, red panda populations are in decline. Habitat loss, poaching, and fragmentation threaten their survival. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect these gentle creatures, restoring habitats and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity. The red panda is a symbol of both hope and vulnerability, a reminder that the smallest and most unassuming creatures can ignite our greatest passions for conservation. Drifting on the currents of the world's oceans, a tiny but spectacular predator floats, its cerulean body rippling in the sunlight. The blue glaucus, also known as the blue dragon, is one of the ocean's most extraordinary residents. Its striking coloration, a gradient of blues and silvers, is not just beautiful, but a warning to any would-be predator. This small sea slug is as dangerous as it is dazzling. The blue glaucus feeds on venomous prey, such as the Portuguese man-o'-war, storing the potent stingers within its own tissues. When threatened, it can unleash this venom, delivering a painful sting that belies its delicate appearance. The unique shape of the blue glaucus, with wing-like serrata extending outward, allows it to float upside down on the water's surface, using the wind and waves to travel great distances. Its counter shading, dark blue on top, silver below, provides camouflage from both above and below, a masterstroke of survival in the open sea. Despite its allure, the blue glaucus is rarely seen by humans, its delicate form often lost among the waves. Yet, for those lucky enough to encounter it, the experience is unforgettable. A glimpse into the hidden beauty of the ocean's surface. The blue glaucus reminds us that even the smallest creatures can be both breathtaking and formidable, a testament to the endless surprises our planet has to offer. As our journey through the world's most adorable and colorful creatures draws to a close, I invite you to continue exploring the marvels of the animal kingdom. Each species we've encountered today is a living testament to the ingenuity of evolution and the boundless diversity of life on Earth. If you've enjoyed this glimpse into nature's artistry, I encourage you to visit our animals playlist, where even more of the planet's most fascinating and sometimes unexpected animals await discovery. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, there is always more to learn, more to admire, and more reasons to protect our precious wildlife. So sit back, relax, and allow yourself to be transported to the farthest reaches of our world. Binge watch the best animal-related videos and let the wonders of nature inspire awe, joy, and a deeper connection to the extraordinary planet we all call home.